Mumbai is the largest city in India, a city full of dreamers and hard laborers. A place where you will encounter stray dogs and exotic birds, artists and workers, the poor and millionaires living together in this maddening city. The city is the home of the most prolific of film industries, Bollywood, one of Asia's biggest slums, Dharavi, and the largest tropical forest in an urban zone. Mumbai is India's financial capital, fashion powerhouse, and a center for many religious and political matters. A rapid growth and development has made the city a concoction of skyscrapers and malls in between the slums and shabby areas. It is also one of the most populous cities in the world. Mumbai is very well known for its fast-paced lifestyle, and the citizens of Mumbai are believed to be the most active in the entire country. Take the time to get to know Mumbai and appreciate the city for what it has to offer. The luxury lifestyle of South Mumbai and the slums, the crazy traffic and the local trains, the street vendors and the high-end restaurants, the humid climate and the cool breeze of the Marine Drive, the historic architecture and the marketplaces, the movies, and the cricket, the urban and local character. The city will suck you in if you let it.